Welcome to Joda Decor, where timeless vintage inspiration meets everyday living in the most beautiful way possible. Today, we're exploring stylish laundry room decor ideas that can transform simple daily chores into a relaxing and enjoyable experience filled with charm, warmth, and personality. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite laundry room style. A soft neutral color palette instantly creates a calming atmosphere in any laundry room. Shades like warm white, beige, sage green, and dusty blue make the space feel brighter and more inviting while maintaining a clean and elegant vintage-inspired appearance that never goes out of style. Open wooden shelving adds both beauty and practicality to the room. Rustic floating shelves can display neatly folded towels, woven baskets, glass jars, and decorative accents, creating an organized space that feels thoughtfully styled instead of purely functional. Vintage-inspired lighting can completely elevate the mood of your laundry area. Pendant lights with brass details, farmhouse sconces, or soft warm bulbs add a cozy ambience that makes even simple washing routines feel more comfortable and luxurious. Decorative storage solutions help keep clutter under control while enhancing the overall design. Wicker baskets, labeled containers, antique crates, and fabric-lined bins provide charming organization that blends functionality with beautiful vintage character. A stylish backsplash behind the washer and sink can become a stunning focal point. Subway tiles, patterned ceramics, or classic checkerboard designs bring texture and personality into the room while protecting the walls in a practical and elegant way. Adding greenery instantly refreshes the space and creates a lively atmosphere. Small potted plants, hanging vines, or fresh eucalyptus branches introduce natural beauty that softens the look of appliances and makes the laundry room feel more welcoming. Vintage signs and wall art can add personality and humor to your laundry room decor. Framed botanical prints, retro laundry quotes, or distressed wooden signs create visual interest while giving the room a cozy and lived-in charm. Functional countertops above front-loading machines provide valuable workspace while improving the overall appearance of the room. Wooden butcher block surfaces or marble-inspired finishes create a polished and organized look perfect for folding clothes with ease. A comfortable rug can make a surprising difference in how the space feels. Soft washable runners with vintage patterns add warmth underfoot, introduce color and texture, and help transform the laundry room into a stylish extension of the home. Hidden storage cabinets keep cleaning supplies neatly tucked away while maintaining a clean and elegant aesthetic. Choosing cabinets with shaker-style doors, antique handles, or muted paint colors enhances the timeless appeal of the entire room. Creating a small decorative corner with candles, framed photos, or seasonal accents adds a personal touch that makes the laundry room feel less like a utility space and more like a thoughtfully designed part of the home filled with comfort and style. stylish laundry room decor proves that even the most ordinary household tasks can become more enjoyable when surrounded by beauty and thoughtful design. We hope these ideas inspired you to refresh your own space with vintage elegance and cozy functionality. Don't forget to subscribe to Joda Decor, like this video, and leave a comment sharing which decor idea you would love to try first.